Welcome to episode 8 of the Highgrove build, filmed on the 25th of October 2025. These videos are being recorded by the aerial photo and videography company From Above, in conjunction with the Highgrove Implementation Monitoring Group. Our aim is to make a visual record of how the Highgrove development build is progressing month by month as part of our monitoring program, and to make this information available to the public. Episode 8. You will see a lot of changes following the developers' preparations for the opening of the show homes, which took place on the 17th of October 2025. The video starts at Highgrove Farm, but moves swiftly west, and we can see basin number 2, and behind it a street scene has been created with landscaping and planting in front of the 2 Barrett show homes. Behind them you can see their garages that are being used as the marketing suite. The house on the corner with the flint finish is the Alderney style 4-bedroom house, of which there will be 7 on the development. They are currently being marketed at £545,000. The second show home with the brick finish is the Kingsley style 4-bedroom house, of which there will be 13 on the development, currently marketed at £485,000. You can see the gardens that have been laid out at the show homes, and behind them further homes are being built, and their garages. We then move to the southwest corner of the site and can see Basin 1, and behind that where plot numbers 11, 12 and 13 of Barrett houses are being built. The next shot then moves swiftly over to the David Wilson show homes. There are 2. The first, the White House, is a Hadley-style 3-bedroom home, and there will be 7 on the development, currently marketed between £435,000 and £450,000. Next to it is the Holden. There will be 22 on the development, currently marketed at £640,000. You can see a detached garage and laid out gardens. The house next to the 2 show homes is a Winston-style house, still being finished. These are the most expensive style of David Wilson home. There will be 5 of these, and they are currently being marketed at £765,000. We then see more David Wilson homes being constructed behind the show homes, and further images of the construction site behind Basin 3. We now move to the site close to the hedge bordering Highgrove Farm, and we focus on the excavation for the pumping station, which will pump sewage to the southern water connection. Next to that is the electricity substation. Keep following us for episode 9.